Hi guys, this is Alan Rivera. We're here at Santa Monica College's main campus for Churro Chat. So if you guys are here in campus, come on down and get a free churro. First off, what's your name?
Iris Martinez.
Cool. Welcome. And how are you preparing yourself for your finals coming up in the coming weeks?
I've been trying to study along in the, what's it called? SNC Student Services building.
Are you excited for the churro, or what are your thoughts on it right now?
I'm kind of excited.
Yeah?
It's been a while since I've had a churro. Yeah.
Gracias. Fruta.
$5.
Free. You just gotta